Taking my side mirrors off, cleaning my engine bay, cleaning these vents all out. Alright, there's one bolt almost out for the driver's side right now. One bolt. Keeping all the parts. Got one more bolt to go, and then I'll be done taking out the side mirrors. I took the vents out already in the out of the glass. They were kind of hard to take out. I mean, at first, those down there, I took them out. I took the weather stripping around there so some degreaser could soak in between the creases. So by the time I'm done taking this out, I'm almost done. It gives the degreaser time to sit in there and work through all that nasty dirt and gunk and stuff. I want to sand all that down at least and get it sprayed today because I work tomorrow, so I'm kind of on a time schedule. Plus it's not raining right now, which is cool. It's cold, but you see the clouds. It's dry now, so which is good. I'm gonna try to get this done, so I'll talk to y'all later. Alright, so I got this other mirror taken off. Got some wet sand. All these, tape the wiring off and stuff like that so no water gets in it. Yeah, the wet sand I'm gonna spray them. Cleaned, alcohol down, wet sanded, 1500 grit sandpaper. About to spray these before the rain starts pouring in. Okay, I got these sprayed already. The side mirrors have all of the other parts I'm storing in here just in case it starts to rain. I disconnected the horn, unscrewed it so I can get under here and clean this crap out. This is what the vents look like. Back installed. Look really good. I haven't popped that one in yet because, like I said, I'm waiting for that to dry. Alright, so this is what I did today. Took off the weather stripping. I took these off, repainted them. This too. Look at the difference. It still needs a lot more cleaning, but looks good for now. I'm about to zip tie out, respray that over there. That one. Still waiting for the side mirrors to dry. Those screws go for my horn. This is the side mirrors. They're drying right now. But yeah, this is the horns. This little clip goes right here. But those 3 screws screw this horn down and I push it down that way. This looks really good so far. I cleaned all this out. I have to wait till it gets hot outside to clean the rest of this because I'm exhausted and it's supposed to rain soon, so I gotta get inside and take a shower. This looks so cute. Oh, then I have to put the weather stripping back on, which is right there. That goes all around this little clamp right there. Alright guys, I'm exhausted. Been working on this all day. Might not seem like I did a lot of work, but I did. As you know before, this was all nasty. Buy some black zip ties to zip some of the stuff up, like right there. I resprayed the covers for the headlights. Sanded this down some more with a wire brush. I repainted some of these parts right here, right there. Sanded that down. Cleaned the weather stripping off. Sanded and resprayed. Sanded and resprayed the grill vents for this, as well as the windshield wipers, side mirrors. I'm gonna have to wipe this off because I saw my handprint on there. Trying to install them back. I had trouble putting these stupid clips in on the inside of the door. I'm not sure. I broke a part on that side, which is kind of frustrating because they're really easy to take out, but asshole to put back in. But yeah, so I'm really exhausted. I'm gonna clean this part off once I lift the hood down. I'm gonna have it propped up like this so I can get this part wiped off. Yeah, but it looks really good so far. Let's crap out. Oh, I got all in here, I cleaned in here today. All back in here, I clean underneath this. So I did a lot of work, guys. May not look like a lot, but it's a lot. Soft. There's this nasty gut crap on it. You see it? I still have a lot more to go. I started to grind some of that off. Yeah, it's coming together. Not bad for day 2. I have to work tomorrow, like I said, so this is gonna have to be put on hold for a couple days, sadly. Alright, so this is really frustrating because when I bought the car, I don't remember any of this stuff being on yesterday. Anti-lock, I have to look and see. Maybe it's because I have this plastic inside of here and it's kind of making the car think something's wrong. Brake fluid and brake lining, I don't understand why that's popping up now. I do have the parking brake on right now because we're kind of on a slant. Yeah, then now this is on here too, and that wasn't, I don't believe that was there before. All this crap, I can't tell if this is alerting me or the lights are just too bright. So if you guys know, please let me know what's going on. I know these cars are prone to wiring issues, so I don't think it's that. Maybe I did something, touched a wire or something like that in here. Because yesterday, like I said, none of this stuff was on here, so. And then this stupid check light keeps blinking. But